Every time a special ship enters the Port of Hamburg, our customers move one step closer to their products, to something that keeps industry flowing, to something that saves lives, to something that powers tomorrow's technologies. Not sure yet what we mean? Then let's start from the beginning. Because on these ships are the parts we need to build the very lasers that make all this possible, right here at Coherent Hamburg. We've been part of this city for a long time, since 1975 to be exact. And ever since, we've been dedicated to just one thing: lasers. Does that ring a bell? No? Then let us tell you. Since 1995, we've been building our all-rounder right here, the Slab Laser, a true evergreen, a technology that has stood the test of time and is still trusted worldwide because of its multiple possibilities. It can weld, it can cut, and for quite some time now, it drives innovation in semiconductors, and new applications keep coming. How do we make this possible? With passion, with expertise, with experts who are constantly working on the further development of our product. But hey, we won't reveal all our secrets. Research and development, that's in our DNA. And when an idea is ready, we bring it to life, here in our production halls. More than 2,000 square meters of energy, knowledge, and precision, always buzzing with activity. Over there, a special moment when housing and resonator finally come together. For us and for our master of ceremony, Mubarak, it's like a wedding. He is one of 30 laser experts in these halls, just like Olaf. Here he is, testing the precision of our mirror components with passion and accuracy. Step by step, until a coherent, high-power CO₂ laser is finally ready for its ultimate challenge. The final testing is in our very own labs. None of this would be possible without what truly matters most to us: our people, the heart and soul of Coherent Hamburg. We want them to have a great place to work. Here, here, and here. And because we believe in sharing and love to welcome guests, we have created our own training center right here in Hamburg to share our knowledge. A place where we train employees, partners, and customers, online, on-site, hands-on. And in our application labs, we work hand-in-hand with customers to transform their ideas into reality. Because the possibilities of our slab lasers are nearly endless. But you probably knew that already. So now it's time to head to the customer. And from Hamburg's port, we can ship to anywhere in the world, even for those who can't wait. Coherent Hamburg, home of the high-power CO₂ laser.